Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, let's start our lesson with the name of Allah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, here you have seen the name of your chapter number 1, lesson number 1 of your countdown book, that is the introduction of sets. Students, in mathematics, the sets is also said as the collection of objects is called sets. Students, sometimes you have the collection of coins or collection of buttons that will not include in sets because the complete definition of sets is different. That is the collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Here we will try to understand what are well-defined and what are distinct. I will give you complete description of these two words so that you can understand what is the meant by well-defined and what is distinct. Student, well-defined is a specific property in which we include physical objects as well as symbols, letters and numbers. Physical objects, that object which we can see, feel, these are physical. And symbols, you have know in mathematics we have 4 symbols: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Letters, you know the alphabets, and numbers, you have our counting numbers. These all are well defined properties, so these will known as sets. For example, we have popular players of cricket. Students, here we have choice. The popular players will be according to mentality will be different, so we can't include it in the set. So this is not a set. Number 2, tall boys of your town. This is a countless number, so it will not also include in sets. Last one is planet in our solar system. Yes, it is a set because we know there are 8 planets in our solar system. Students, popular, interesting and tall like words are not well defined because these words change their property according to the mentality, according to your choice or someone else's choice. So we can't say them the well defined. In any description, if we have these words, that will not be included as a set. Students, our next word to understand was distinct. What is distinct? Object that is different from others is known as distinct. It means if we will have any element twice in our set, we will write them single. We will not write them twice. We will make it single and then we will put it in our set, so it will make it a set. Means if any element will be repeated, we will not write it repeatedly. We can't write it twice. We will write it single. For example, if we have set of letter in word Asia, we will not write the letter A twice because you can see in Asia we have A twice at start and at the end. We can't write it the set A, S, I and A. We will change it as single letter, so we will write A single. The set will be A is equals to A, S and I. Students, hope you will understood the meaning of well defined and distinct, and also learn the definition of the set, which is The collection of well-defined and distinct objects is known as sets. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.